I just saw that Jessica had put in mostly noise and other people conversing. You know, we all have headphones. And if you can get headphones that are noise canceling, that might help you. I personally like to listen to music when I need to get some stuff done. I feel like when it's dead quiet, I can't get anything done. So I'm like the opposite. But, you know, if you have headphones, that might help you, even if people are in the room. And I would definitely echo what Nellie said. Turn off the phones, put it on silent, turn it over. You know, if you have something that's Apple, you have now the do not disturb. So put the do not disturb on for the whole evening, and that way you can get some stuff done.